Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the data collection, storage, and computing using a cloud computing platform. Cloud computing, it is nothing but a general term which is used to describe a new class of network-based computing that takes place over the internet. It uses a step far from utility computing, a collection or group of integrated and network hardware or software and internet infrastructure. Using the internet for communication and transport provides hardware, software, and networking services to the clients. These platforms hide the complexity and details of the underlying infrastructure from users and applications by providing very simple graphical user interface or application programming interface. And in addition to that, these platform provides on-demand services that are always on, anywhere, anytime, and any place. And it also pay for use and as needed, elastic scale up and down in capacity and the functionalities. The hardware and the software services which are available to general public, enterprise, corporations, and business markets. Then this cloud computing is an umbrella term which is used to refer to the internet based development and services. A number of characteristics which define cloud data, application services, and infrastructure which uses remotely hosted, ubiquitous, and commodified. Where remotely hosted, which uses the services or data that are hosted on remote infrastructure. Then ubiquitous, it is nothing but a services or data which are available from anywhere. Commodified, it is a utility computing model similar to traditional utilities like gas and electricity, where we pay for you what we want. Then examples, many companies which are delivering services from cloud. Some notable examples are Google, Microsoft, and the Salesforce.com. Google, it has a private cloud that it uses for delivering Google documents and may other services to its users, including email access, document applications, text translations, maps, web analytics, and much more. Then on Microsoft, we have online service that allows for content and business intelligence tools to be moved into the cloud, and Microsoft currently makes it Office applications which are available in a cloud. Then Salesforce.com, it runs its application set for its customers in a cloud under its Salesforce.com and VMforce.com, which where here the product which provides developers with platforms to build customized cloud services. Then basic concepts, there are certain services and models working behind the scene making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to the end users. There are working models which is used for cloud computing or deployment model and the service model. Then the opportunities and the challenges, the use of the cloud provides a number of opportunities. It enables services to be used without any understanding of their infrastructure. Then the cloud computing works using economics of scale. It potentially lowers the outlay expense for startup companies as they would no longer need to buy their own software or servers. Then the cost would be done by on-demand pricing. The vendors and service providers claim cost by establishing an ongoing revenue stream. The data and the services are stored remotely but accessible from anywhere. Then there are also many issues which is related to the policy and the access. If our data is stored abroad, what was the policy we use it already, and what happens if the remote server goes down, and how will you then access those files? Then there have been cases of user being locked account of and losses the access of data. Finally, the assessment. Here we'll examine the benefits of cloud computing, where we uses here cost saving, scalability, and flexibility. reliability and the maintenance. In cost savings, companies can reduce the capital expenditures and use operational expenditure for increasing their computing capabilities. This is a lower barrier to entry and also requires fewer in-house IT sources to provide system support. Then scalability and flexibility. Here the companies can start with a small deployment and grow to a large deployment fair rapidly and then scale back if necessary. Also, the flexibility of cloud computing allows companies to use extra resources at peak times, enabling them to satisfy customer demands. Then reliability. Here the services which uses multiple redundant sites can support business continuity and the disaster recovery. Then finally it's about maintenance. Here the cloud service providers do the system maintenance and access through application program interface that do not require application installations onto PCs, thus further reduce the maintenance requirements. Thank you.